Picture a penguin standing on an icy cliff, and suddenly it lets out what looks like a sneeze. This isn't because it caught a cold in Antarctica. Penguins actually sneeze to survive. When penguins drink seawater or eat fish, they consume large amounts of salt that would be deadly if it stayed in their bodies. Too much salt can damage their organs and dehydrate them completely. Evolution provided these remarkable birds with a special solution. Penguins have salt glands located above their eyes that work like natural filters, removing excess salt from their bloodstream. This concentrated salt solution travels through tubes and gets expelled forcefully through their beaks in what appears to be a sneeze. This incredible adaptation allows penguins to thrive in their harsh ocean environment, proving that nature always finds extraordinary ways to help animals survive.